In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS settings on Windows and Cloudflare. If your internet feels slow, certain sites won't load, or you want a more private and reliable resolver, updating your DNS can help. We'll do this entirely within Windows, and I'll point out where to choose automatic settings or enter Cloudflare's DNS manually, all without touching anything unrelated. Start by opening the control panel. The quickest way is to press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. Depending on your view, you might see categories or icons. Either way, look for Network and Internet. Open that, then go into Network and Sharing Center. This is where Windows shows your active network and lets you reach the adapter settings you need. In the Network and Sharing Center, find your active connection next to the word Connections. If you're wired, it will usually say Ethernet. Click that link to open the status window for your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, you'll see your wireless network name instead. The process is the same from here. In the status window, click Properties. Windows may ask for administrator permission. If it does, allow it so you can change network settings. In the list of items used by the connection, find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Select it, then click Properties. This is the panel where you control how your computer gets DNS. Here you have two choices. If you want Windows to use whatever your router or internet provider supplies, select Obtain DNS Server Address automatically. This is a good default and can fix issues if you previously set custom DNS and want to revert. It's also handy for troubleshooting. If something stops working after changes, switching back to automatic is a quick way to test. If you prefer to use a specific resolver, use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server field, you can enter Cloudflare's 111 and in the alternate DNS server field, enter 191. These are widely used, fast, and privacy-focused. You don't need to change your IP address settings if you're not sure what they are. Leave them as they were. A simple tip before you change anything. Note down your current DNS settings so you can restore them later if needed. When you're done, click OK to close the IPv4 properties, then OK, or close on the remaining windows to apply your changes. That's it. Your computer will start using the chosen DNS right away, and websites should resolve using the new settings. If you ever need to switch back, just return to this panel and pick the automatic option.